welcome to my famous, well-known, informative, popular and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Flask. As we have gone through many videos on Flask, such as employee management using curl operation, then we have seen curl operation using MongoDB database. We have also seen face recognition using Flask and many more videos on Flask. We have seen cryptography, public key and private key using Flask and many more videos. Today's video is really interesting and creative. I was trying to do this video using React.js and Node.js, but little bit of struggling. So I done this in Flask, that is employee tracker using Tkinter library of the Python. So let us go through the main file, that is this is main file. Here, as you can see, the Tkinter library is stored, date and time, and then employee. So these are the required modules needed for the program, and data is displayed in JSON format. And now I will execute the program. We will see how it works. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. Now, name of employee, Khan, birth date 12/10, '76, hire date basic salary, overtime rate and overtime hours. Yes, it has been added successfully. Now I will add another entry. Salman Khan, birth date 10, hire date basic salary, agent is a bonus. Yes, it has been also added, since it is overtime and it has added bonus, that's why this here. Net salary about this thing. So Salman Khan net salary is 51,800 and this thing. Now I will remove the record. Yes, successfully. So I successfully done with employee tracking using Flask. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Flask. I will be back with more creative videos on React.js, Node.js, Stack, full stack, then machine learning using Flask. If possible, I will start videos using Django framework and many more videos on event management, hospital management, different job seekers. Thanks for watching.